Hello everyone, this is Jonas Lade from T2, and I'm here to present the schedule provider availability section of our Here We Go app. Once our provider has confirmed creating their account, they can now log in and modify multiple options that our app provide. First, we start by logging in and inputting our provider's credentials. Once logged in, a provider is now able to change their account settings, appointments, and even view their loyalty program called Here We Earn. For now, we take a look at what a provider can do under the account settings. From here, a provider can change their profile info, such as name, address, date of birth, amongst many other private information. But due to time constraint, we're going to focus on our provider's availability options. Under the availability settings, a provider can view and modify things like the days they are available, the specific time for days chosen, the location that they are willing to work in, and of course, the areas where they prefer not to do service. Here, we have a simple overview on how to modify days in the app. Our provider can simply choose yes or no if they would like to work on those days. As we can see in this example, our provider chooses to work only during the weekdays. Once done selecting days, our provider can click Update to save the changes they made. The next slide shows the options we have for modifying time. Our provider can now customize the times they want to work with the corresponding days they've chose. Since the provider did not want to work on the weekends, Saturday and Sunday is automatically highlighted in red as not available. Once they're done modifying time, here the provider can now customize their location's availability. If current location is selected, your mobile's GPS will be used to pinpoint the provider's location. Alternatively, a custom location can be entered using their street address, city, state, and zip code. You can also specify the amount of service radius within the area you've selected. Once changes are made, the user can simply click Update to save their settings or click Back to cancel. Are you trying to avoid someone? Or is there an area you don't like to service? Not to worry. Our provider can now enter a custom area by address, city, or zip code and pin those locations to avoid service in those areas. And that concludes T2's service provider availability slide.